Welcome back, everyone. Today, we are diving deep into everything you need to know about the Kardashian Season 7, from the release date to the cast, plot details, and what fans can expect from this highly anticipated season. If you love reality TV and the drama, glamour, and family moments that come with it, you're in the right place. Sit back and enjoy this complete guide to the newest season of one of the world's most talked about families. The Kardashian Season 7 is set to premiere on Thursday, October 23rd, 2025, in the United States on Hulu, and for international fans, it will be available on Disney+. In India, the season will be streaming on JioHotstar starting October 24th, 2025. This season promises to be a thrilling ride, packed with personal stories, family dynamics, and unexpected moments that will keep fans hooked from start to finish. So, what's in store this season? The trailer has already given us some tantalizing hints. Season 7 is expected to explore some serious developments within the family, along with exciting new ventures and heartfelt moments. Kim Kardashian opens up in confessional-style interviews, giving fans a closer look at her experiences, challenges, and personal reflections. Viewers will also see behind-the-scenes moments from Kim's trip to Paris as she prepares for a major upcoming project in the entertainment industry. The season captures the excitement, stress, and behind-the-scenes realities of her life as she balances personal commitments with professional ambitions. Khloé Kardashian also plays a central role this season, navigating unexpected challenges that impact her plans for the future. Fans can expect to see Khloé balancing work, family, and personal growth, all while sharing candid moments that show her real emotions. Meanwhile, Kourtney Kardashian embarks on a new business venture and prepares for family gatherings, bringing in both fun and emotional moments that will resonate with viewers who have followed the family over the years. Season 7 also marks the rare return of Rob Kardashian to the family's reality TV spotlight. After years away from the cameras, Rob's appearances bring a fresh perspective, giving fans insight into his life and the relationships within the family. Caitlyn Jenner is also back, reuniting with the family on-screen for the first time since the finale of the original Keeping Up with the Kardashians. These moments add depth, nostalgia, and emotion to the season, reminding viewers why this family has remained a global fascination for so many years. The cast continues to deliver a blend of entertainment, inspiration, and real-life experiences. Each episode provides a mix of fun, heartfelt discussions, and the occasional dramatic twist, which has become a signature of the series. With 10 episodes scheduled for the season, fans can expect weekly surprises, behind-the-scenes access, and intimate conversations that reveal the personalities behind the public personas. For those wondering where to watch, remember that the series will stream on Hulu in the United States and on JioHotstar in India, making it accessible to fans across multiple platforms. Whether you're following the family for their fashion, business endeavors, or personal stories, Season 7 is shaping up to be a must-watch. As always, the Kardashians continues to evolve with each season, offering a mix of glamour, humor, family love, and real-life challenges. Season 7 promises to deliver everything fans love, from emotional family moments to exciting new projects and surprises that no one saw coming. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more updates on your favorite reality shows. Share your thoughts in the comments below. What are you most excited to see in Season 7? And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Stay tuned for more updates, and we'll see you in the next video.